One of the most common words in Kurdish is the word خوش. If you are in Kurdistan, you hear it all the time. دست خوش، سرت خوش بیت، کبابکی خوش، کاتکی خوش بو، خوشحالم، نخوشخانه. But do you know that there's a word in the English language that comes from this word, خوش? آیا زانید که وشەی ئینگلیزی هەیە که سەرچاوەکەی ئەم وشەیە خوش؟ What is that English word? Today, I'm going to tell you. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. The English word that comes from the word خوش is the word Cushy. You can hear the connection, خوش and Cushy. This word Cushy came into the English language about 150 years ago because of the British. The British heard it in Urdu and Farsi, and they started using it for things connected to comfort and pleasure. And the word Cushy in English still has a very similar meaning. We use this adjective, Cushy, for a life or a situation that is very comfortable. Amushaya Cushy, bakare henin bojianik yan barudochik, kazor asuda yan asana. For example, did you know that Hama got a cushy government job? Or Sarah married a rich man, and now she has a very cushy life in Dubai. In English, we don't use cushy for as many situations as you use khosh in Kurdish. But we do use it to describe things that are very comfortable or very soft or very easy. Now, I love finding words like this that are shared between English and Kurdish. I love it because they are so much easier to remember. Amjore washaya bo birhenanoa zor asana. Khosh sounds very close to the word cushy. So, if you're in conversation and you need to remember the word cushy, first, remember the word khosh, and then your brain will remind you of the word cushy very quickly. Our brains always remember things better when there are these kinds of connections. Just like the words karwan and caravan. Cushy and khosh show us that some Kurdish words have become part of daily English vocabulary. And this is good news for you, فێربە, as you try to learn new English vocab. And فێربە, if this is the first time that you heard about this connection between English and Kurdish, then please click that subscribe button or share this video with a friend. Agar یەکەم جار بوو بێت کە بیستوتە دەربارەی پەیوەندیە نێوان زمانی کوردی و زمانی ئینگلیزی، تکایە پەنجەی دووکمەی subscribe کە. زۆر سپاس. Try practicing the word cushy today. Do you know anyone with a cushy job? Do you know someone who has a cushy life? Would you like to live a cushy life? Why or why not? Tell me in the comments below. ئێوەش بەشدار بن لەگەڵمان لە باشی کۆمنت لە خوارەوە. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ. خواحافیز.